We are using this room, eh?
Yeah, there's only 3 bedrooms.
No, there's 4.
Why which the 4th one?
Hello, come. 1, okay.
3, 4.
Oh. Room tour. So this is the entrance, and then you have like a sitting area where we put unload all of our bags because we just reached. And then so upon coming into the house, it's actually, this is where you're actually facing. So there's like pictures around. Welcome to Seabreeze, Port Campbell. So on your right, this is the first room. So there's like a ensuite bathroom. So this is like the master bedroom, which is very near the door. And then there's like cupboards, and then like a huge mirror, and that's where you can place your hangers. What you say? This is the toilet that's attached to the room. There is a shower head. They provided like shower amenities. Okay, and there's like a cute little mirror. Cool. It's pretty clean. Okay, this is the living room. You can sit here, and there's like a huge ass TV here. I think you can sit up to like what? 8, 9 people. Oh. Okay, then there's like a shelf, and then there's a backyard, which is ours also. And then I think we can barbecue this side. And we haven't gone out yet because it's very cold. I'm just wondering what this is. It looks like a lizard. I just hope that it's a painting because it's damn huge. And then this is like the open concept kitchen. So you can do all your cooking here.
So 那个 room 还没有 settle.
What, mommy?
Room 没 settle.
Room haven't settled? You ask mommy? So these are the stuff that we bought from the supermarket earlier on for dinner. And then they have a huge fridge. They basically have a lot of things inside. Wow, nice. You still can steam stuff. Oh, is that a rice cooker? Oh, still got a dim sum thing, eh? So cute. Hey. And then from the kitchen to your left, this is, I don't know what kind of room is this. It's also an extended kitchen. So there's like tea, cups, toaster. They really provided all this, eh? Nice. Oh, this is like a serving tray also. Interesting. And they have like tea cups over here. So cute. They have a weighing machine also, weighing scale. So cute. And then they have like a dustbin here. So like there's like a general waste and a recycling one. And then this is like the dining area. Woo! Can sit 6 people, just nice for us. And then there's like a baby chair if there's a baby. Okay, let's check out the second bedroom. This is a master bedroom also. Okay, I wouldn't say it's a master bedroom because there isn't any ensuite bathroom. So this is a double bed. You can sleep 2 persons. There's a fan, and there's a closet. Oh, there's extra pillows. Great. You can hang all your stuff here also, which is great. And then coming out, just right beside is the place where you do your washing and dryer. So make sure that this is locked. Okay? This random room is like out of nowhere. It's like a toilet on its own. Then another one, this is like the more fully equipped toilet where there's no WC, so it's actually separated. So this place is just for you to shower. And they have, oh nice! They have a bathtub. And then let's go to the next room. Oh, this room is actually brighter. So this one is actually here. Also a double bed. This one, the curtains is... Oh, it's actually just facing the backyard. And the lizard thing is still there. Are you a lizard? Okay. Then they have closet as well. Hangers. An extra blanket and extra pillow. And then welcome to the last room. The last room actually is all the singles who are sleeping here. And this one, but we're not going to use this room. Oh, this one is also facing the backyard.
Yeah.
We are using this room, eh?
Yeah. There's only 3 bedrooms.
No. There's 4.
Why which the 4th one?
Oh my god, this guy, we are in this house for like what, 15-20 minutes already. You still don't know where's the bedroom ah. Hello, come. 1, okay.
3, 4.
Oh. So in order to choose the rooms, cause we can't decide. Daddy, can you tell me what you're doing?
Number to door locks.
So that's all for the room tour. It's a freaking huge place. They actually have a garage outside. Oh, there's this place also. Ooh. So I'm gonna go choose my room now. Ballot. Draw lots. And then we'll let you know which room we're gonna stay in. Good morning. It is day 4.
Or by change position, I think.
It's day 4 and we are gonna check out of this place, and we're checking out the backyard because this is the first time we actually walked to the backyard. And then remember the lizard that we showed you previously? Actually, I'm a bit scared to go to the backyard. Yeah, so anyway, the lizard, right? It changed position eh. So this is like the... So apparently overall the stay has been not too bad. It's just that there's like spiders around, spider webs also on the ceiling. Yeah, there isn't like any aircon in the room also, so there's like no heater per se, but you can just like on the heater in the bathroom, so that, and the heater in the living room that kind of like, you know, spread the heat to the whole of the apartment. Oh my god, my mouth isn't working in the morning. So the lizard changed place eh. It was supposed to be like around here, so it went here, and then it's still in the same position. Can you hear that?
Go back in lah.
Okay.
I think they're packing in.
Oh, alright. Is it real? It seems fake leh. But then it's like... Wow, oh my god, is that like a crow? Got crow eh. Very scary. Very scary. This place is actually nice to chill. Mommy, good morning. We are leaving the house.
Bye-bye.
Do you enjoy the place?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, we're gonna check out. It's a busy morning. And our luggages are all done. Woo. Bye! Yeah, it's been a good... That's a cute... I don't know what you call that, because in Singapore we don't have that. In Singapore we just have like the tuk 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 tuk. It's a pretty place, just that when I come back maybe I will bring a sweater to kill spiders. They have a garage too, but can't use. Oh. Oh, the neighborhood is pretty. So yesterday they saw a rabbit here, but the little rabbit is gone. Ooh. Our neighbor is home.